Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about array in PowerShell. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand the concept of array in PowerShell completely. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. PowerShell provides a data structure which is called as array. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables or objects, right? So you can use array instead of declaring, individual variables such as number 0, number 1, right? You can declare one array and use numbers like array name and the index of it. So first we need to know that how to declare an array in PowerShell. Right. So how you can declare an array is you will use the dollar sign, right? And then you will specify the name of the array. So let's say ARR, right? And then you can give 1, 8, 9, some random number. Okay. So now this is done. Now what you can do is you can click on run selection and the value is set in the $ARR, right? Now let's say you want to access the value of ARR and you now let's say you want to access the element which is at 0 index. So you will put 0 in the square bracket and then you need to click on run selection. So you can see that you are able to find the value as 1. So for example, if you want to find the length, you can say that if you want to know that how many items are there in the array, so you can use arr.length, right? So it says that there are 4 items in this array, and as you can see that there are 4 items 1, 8, 9 and 56, right? So these are 4 items which are present uh, in this array, right? So let's say for example you are going to add a string, right? And that is also part of your array elements, right? And now if you click on run selection, you see that value has been set. And now if you want to get the value of the array which is present at index 4, you will see that it is able to print the value as mark. So in PowerShell you can declare an array with different data types, right? So one array variable can have value of different data types. It can be integer, it can be string, right? It can be even the decimal digits, right? For example, if you put 0.9 and then if you click on run selection, so now the value has been set in the dollar array. Now if you want to get the value which is present at index 5, you can see that it is able to print the value of array element which is present at index 5, right? So this is how you can declare the array in PowerShell. So for example, if you want to see now what you have done is you have put the cursor at the end and you clicked on run selection. You're able to see that it has set the value in the array variable. Now let's say if you want to find the type of this array, you can say that get type, and you can here you see that under the base type it says that system.array, which tells that okay, it is a collection of items which contains which contains data of different types. So it can be integer or decimal values, right? And also it can contain the string. So now if you want to print all the elements of the array, so what you can do is you can just put $arr and just click on run selection. You see that it has printed all the values which are present in the array variable. So this is all about the array in PowerShell. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.